Make beautiful custom valances using no-sew valance design forms, an iron, a pencil, and scissors. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful, professional-looking custom valances without sewing. Use by-the-yard fabric or any household fabric item to match your decor. Use a matching tablecloth, curtain panel, pillowcases, and more. No-sew valance panels are really easy to make. Use the included fusible fabric backing to add lining to your fabric sections. Then simply trace around the design form edges and follow the trace line to cut out your valance panels. Then layer small or large panels on a wide pocket curtain rod and adjust for a perfect custom fit. These stiff panels provide the look of a cornice without the need for wood, styrofoam, or any other base. The elegant lambrequin valances are designed to frame your window. Easily adjust side panels to cover your entire frame or make shorter side panels for a more traditional cornice style. These stunning valance designs are beautiful over swag drapes or plain windows. Easily create traditional pleated and gathered valance styles without sewing. This design form set includes short and long side panels and makes a simple cornice style valance. The swag and scarf design form set includes a swag design form with a selection of scarf and flower panel connector options. Hang this valance style using a straight curtain rod or make side panels for a cornice style design. This set also includes a unique wildflower center panel design form. Use the table decorating design forms to make matching custom table accents. Easy to follow video tutorials are available online. Style-specific video tutorials are available for each valance design style. If you have questions specific to your project, give us a call or text. A personal project consultation is also included. When no-sew custom decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.